My dog is just being ridiculous. I don't know what she's doing. Okay, hey guys, it's me. How is your day going? I sincerely hope that the answer to that is nothing short of amazing, because you all deserve amazing days. Unless you're like a serial killer or some shit, then you deserve a pretty shit day. Anyways, in today's, I don't know why I started it off like that, but in today's video, if you read the title, you know that we're going to be doing a cute little Depop haul. I want to talk about Depop a little bit. I personally have had almost all like amazing, not like amazing like life-changing, but like amazing, like everybody that I've bought from was super nice, and I haven't had any problems with like people being rude. There were a couple times where like somebody was like just a little bit rude, but not even like that rude. I know that the camera is like in a weird place and I'm in a weird place, and it's just a lot, but it's what we're gonna have to deal with. So anyways, so this is gonna be a try on haul and just a regular haul, and this is just stuff I've accumulated from Depop over time. Not like that long, like I haven't been using Depop for like that long, but you know, I just really want to show off the stuff I got from Depop, because honestly you can get so much like cool stuff, and it is a little bit more expensive than going regular thrifting, I'll give you that, but I think you're paying for like the convenience of it all, and that's one of the reasons why it's a little bit more expensive than just regular thrifting. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. So this is gonna be fun. Let's get started. Start off, one problem that I have had with Depop, and it's not really like a big deal or anybody's fault, but kind of like my own, but I feel like this could happen to anyone, is like sizing. Like something will be like way too big or way too small, and that's not really anybody's fault but my own, for, or not even my own, but it's just like what is the seller supposed to do about that, you know? So the first item, this is like the first thing I ever got from Depop. It's really cute, but I can't wear it because it's too small. I got this dress because I used to want it. Like I saw it on Hot Topic like literally years ago. But then when I finally started like getting an allowance that was like enough money to buy the dress, I couldn't find the dress anymore on Hot Topic's site or in stores. So I just kind of gave up on it, but I started using Depop and I saw this dress and I was like, oh, that's perfect. But then it was too small when it got here. So tragic, I know. But it's this cute little dress. I'll put a picture right here of somebody wearing it, I guess, if I can find one. It's a really cute dress, but it's too small for me, so life sucks. I'll probably just give it to one of my friends if they want it, or I'll just give it to Goodwill. It's really not that big of a deal. But yeah. So obviously I can't try it on because it's too small. So we're just gonna, I didn't find a place to put these things. Let's see, I guess I'll show off this one. This is a dress that I got from Depop. Also, I mostly got to wear at church. It was actually really cheap. It was like $5, and it's like super cute. Yes, queen, you know, it has like this little button detail. It's really nice. The one thing that I did want to complain about, but again, it's like not the seller's fault, it's just the way the dress was made. The lining was like too long, so it would like show through the dress, but it wasn't a big deal. I just had to cut it. Like you can see, like I just cut it a little bit. Like a lot of things are pretty DIY and you can fix them yourself. So yeah, that dress, it's cute. I've worn it to church once. Yeah. The next thing, I'm literally obsessed with Tommy Hilfiger for no reason. Like, sister, what are you doing? I'm not even like a brand person. Like, I don't care about brands, but Tommy Hilfiger, I just like the aesthetic of most of their clothing items. It's just like so simple. It's like Ralph Lauren, but a little bit like cooler. Why did I say Ralph? Is that what I meant? I think I meant Polo. It's like Polo, but like a little bit cooler. Like, I don't know. But I got this crop top. It's really cute. It was like $15, maybe less, but it's a Tommy. Yeah. Next thing is this Sailor Moon dress. I got it for Matsuri like last year, but I didn't go to Matsuri, so I didn't wear it, so I still haven't worn it anywhere yet. but it's super cute. It's never been worn. It's a Sailor Moon dress. I have some cute socks that go with it, like it's a medium, but I can still fit it, and it's like never worn. Like the tag is still here, and it was pretty cheap. It was like 12 bucks. So yeah, I'm pretty happy about this buy. So whenever, I'll probably go to Matsuri this year, hopefully. I mean, next year. That's right, it was earlier this year. Matsuri was earlier this year. Next. Okay, this again has to do with sizing, like whose man's is this? And again, it's not the seller's fault. It just, in the pictures, there wasn't like any pictures of anybody wearing these. And maybe that was on me because I don't really shop in men's clothing, and I knew it was men's sizes, so it's on me. But it's these Tommy Hilfiger pants that are huge, like, oh my god. Now I do like, the reason I bought them so big was because I've been looking for some pants that are like wide on my legs so I can like fold at the bottom, but like a lot of times pants like that will like hug my thighs, and I really wanted that not to be a problem. Like it'll hug my thighs and then go off on my shins, and I'm like, I don't want that, sister. But these pants are cute regardless. I'll probably just get them, what's it called? Just have them bring in the waist a little bit, because that's really my only complaint is the waist. Next meme, no, I'm kidding. Next item. The next thing is this dress, but it's definitely, it's really cute. Like, it's from Forever 21. It's obviously worn a little bit, which duh. It's really cute though, but it does fit a little weird around my hips. So I'm gonna like cut it into a shirt and a skirt and hope that turns out nice. And if not, at least the shirt will, you know? Life is crazy. Yeah. Moving on. Next thing is this Kendall and Kylie dress that fits me pretty well, and I'm glad that I didn't actually give them any profit because I don't like the Kardashians that much. But it's a cute dress nonetheless. Can you stop? My dog is such a rude sister. Like, oh my god. Anyways. It's this black dress. It's really cute. It's backless, which I didn't know that when I bought it. Like, there wasn't a picture of the back, so I didn't know it was backless. But it has this little heart thing right here, and honestly, it's just a cute dress. It's pretty simple, and in the winter, I'll be able to wear it to church because I can wear it with a sweater. Okay, is this the last clothing item? I am literally in love with this shirt. I would marry it. Okay, like that's how serious this is. And it's this vacation looking ass shirt. It says Calypso Tropical Island. It's really cute and it's so soft. I'm pretty sure it's made of cotton, and I just, is it made of cotton? It's not made of cotton. It's made of rayon, I think. It's made in Guatemala. It's from this brand Island Winds, and honestly, I'll probably like, unless it's like some overseas brand, which it probably is, but I'll probably buy from them more because this shirt is so comfortable and cute, and I'm literally in love with it. So that's it for clothes, but I have gotten a few other accessories. Depop is such a great place to find unique like earrings, and I've really been taking advantage of that. So let me show them off. If you don't know, I literally am obsessed with space for no reason, and so all of these are space themed earrings, and you're honestly so welcome. So I got these cuties. Oh my gosh, like look at how pretty those are. They're just like, I would never find these anywhere, like, you know. Ugh, so cute. I love those, and I haven't gotten a chance to wear them yet, but I will. The next two, I've worn these like once, but honestly, like, look at how cute they are. They have Saturn. Can you stop shaking? I can't hold them like both for you. I guess I could. Here they are. They're so cute. I love them. They have like a little galaxy. This one is like handmade, like it's like made of like resin, and it's so cute. Oh my god. And the last one, they came in this cute little package and I just wanted to show it off. A lot of Depop sellers were like, leave a note, and I just think that is so cute. Like, this one came with these earrings. A lot of them were thrown away, but I kept this one. It says, thanks for buying from me. Hope you enjoy your purpose. Please contact me immediately if there are any problems. But look at how cute it is. Like, whose man's? And a lot of sellers do that. Some of them are handwritten, and it's just really cute and sweet. And then these are the earrings. Wait, let me bring them out. These get a little stuck sometimes because they're just so fabulous. I'm fabulous. You guys remember that song? Phineas and Ferb. It's all about you. It's all about me. I'm fabulous. Okay.
Fabulous. You're the one we all can see. It's all about you. It's all about me. You're fabulous. I'm fabulous.
Hey there. Look at how fucking, like, sister, yes, go off, queen. Who, excuse me, these are so cute and perfect. So cute and perfect. Like, yeah, I really do suggest buying from Depop if you don't have enough money to, like, buy from normal stores. But you don't really, like, feel like thrifting. Because I feel like thrifting, like, yeah, you can find some, like, cool stuff. But it's really hard to find, like, good, like, branded items or, like, actually, like, cute clothing that's, like, not in that whole, like, thrifted aesthetic. Not that there's anything wrong with that thrifted aesthetic. Like, I love that aesthetic. But it's, like, you know what I'm saying? It's hard to find, like, good items. And it's also really time-consuming. And it's way less time-consuming to shop on Depop. So I don't know. Like, I just want to do this because I got some clothes and I need content, you know? But I did hope that you enjoyed this video, and I really do hope that you're having a great day, and I hope that this just made your day even better and hopefully not any worse. Go ahead and leave a like if you enjoyed this video, a dislike if you didn't enjoy this video. Go ahead and subscribe if you like my face, and go ahead and subscribe if you don't like my face, because you'll feel better about yourself every time I upload, because you'll see my face and you'll be like, damn, I'm glad that I don't have that face. So, yeah, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys next time. My dog just walked in. Minty, do you want to say hi? Okay, Minty's a little bit ugly right now because we just gave her summer cut, and we do it at home because ain't nobody trying to pay for that, and she also hates going to the groomers, so she looks a little rough, but she's still a cutie. Look at my dog. Hi, Minty. Say hi. Hi.